we're day 4 into the rifle hunting season here in Minnesota. Haven't really seen a whole lot. One doe. It's been cold, wet, and rainy here. The wind has now shifted directions today. I use an app called Scout Look that I use, and it's really nice because you can see a GPS map and see the direction your scent cone's going. I don't hunt with really any hunting clothes, I guess, so I always have to be very mindful of the direction of the wind. So we're going to change things up tonight and see if we can see anything.
There's a pretty good bedding area over there. You can see warning trails coming out onto this field. Well, learned a little bit tonight. I made a mistake. I just happened to be moving, and I got a doe bleak call on the wrong side, and the stock of my gun kind of bumped up against it and drew their attention, and they took off. So a little bit of a lesson learned there. But I'm pretty convinced that they're bedding down in there. So we'll just see what the wind does over the next couple of days. We might try this area again.
So one of the traditions around here is to save a couple venison steaks from the year previously. I've really struggled this year. I made sure I set aside a couple of them. And my thought or my theory about saving these is to utilize them during the week of deer hunting season. And I just feel like it kind of brings you a little extra good luck. I don't know what it is. You're sitting out the deer stand munching on a little jerky or something. The deer can just sense that you fully utilize and appreciate that meat, and just things tend to go a little bit better. So day 5 here, wind's blowing in the same direction, so I think I'm gonna try to set up exactly where I was last night. I've been making too many darn mistakes here, and I gotta see if I can make something happen here. I'm of course not gonna go back actually into the bedding area, but I'm going to try to set up somewhere along that trail, and with the fresh snow on the ground, hopefully I get a little better idea on just the movement, what's going on back there, kind of look for prints and stuff.
Well, nothing tonight. Guess we'll try again tomorrow.
On day 6 here, I'm gonna go out, try something a little bit different. I'm gonna try to set up the ground blind. I was not planning on using it this year. I have had it sitting outside to kind of air out and everything for the last 2 weeks, but really wasn't planning on it because I just was lacking this year. The deer season just came up so quick, and I didn't get things out early enough. And I've been starting to move to more towards get the thing set up, let the deer get used to it instead of just popping it up.
Well, another no-go tonight. starting to get more and more desperate here. I guess that old saying, don't pass on a deer the first day that you wouldn't pass on the last day. Guess we'll have to put some more time in, see what tomorrow brings.
Day 7, we got tonight and 2 more full days to get the job done here.
Just took a shot. Gonna have to wander out there and see what happened here. I'm pretty sure it went down. But I have to go out there. I need to give it a little time. I walked around for quite a while and I have found no sign of blood. It's dark. I felt like it was a good shot, but maybe I missed. I'm not giving up on this. I'm gonna go get a second set of eyes here. Blood right there.
You want to leave?
Yeah, you're right. Good eye. So it must have took this trail in. There it is. I could not believe it. I came this close to it. I literally pulled the trail cam off thinking it came off there. That's where I was standing. Right at that tree.
All you needed was your wife, that's all right.
And it was that close. Fantastic. Now he's got to get the truck back here.
Okay.
I am pumped about that. That is fantastic because I was really doubting myself there. I could not find any blood.
Well, yeah, that doesn't mean anything.
I just could not. I looked around and looked around, and then you found that one. Yeah. Awesome. Fantastic. You got your deer pants?
Yeah.
You need to come and help us pull that thing out of there?
Here, would you throw this on? It's gonna catch your tail. It's gonna get pinched.
Load it in the sled because it's going to be too big to put